get in touch with an agent down in southeast Georgia, somewhere in inlet a little ways, but still very close to the coast, that I could put a tiny home down there. But anyway, let's see. We'll probably make this video about 5 minutes. And go ahead and upload it. That way y'all will know what we're going to be doing today and this week, next week. So yeah, until tomorrow morning at 8:43, it'll still be officially summer, but like I say, I proclaimed it autumn yesterday. And I have 5 seasons in the year, not 4. I make autumn a separate season altogether. And it is probably, for me, the longest season. Fall may be the shortest season. Yeah, I have spring, winter, spring, summer, autumn, and fall. Don't know where we're going to get off yet. We could get off at Sugarloaf, cut over to 29, and head in. Y'all want to do that? We can get off at Beaver Run, Indian Trail. We can go straight in. What do we want to do? I tell you, we'll go down 29. We'd like to get the updated of the North DeKalb Mall destruction, demolition, destruction, whatever you want to call it. Well, this video is 4:15. Let's go ahead and cut this one off. We'll start putting it together when we get off and start uploading. Look, the big rock. The big rock. The big rock. It's a big, big rock. 9 miles to Jimmy Carter. Yeah, I know, I said we were going to make that the end, but we didn't, did we? Pleasant Hill, we can get off at Pleasant Hill. Let's get off at Beaver Run. Okay, we changed our mind. We're going to get off at, well, it says Beaver Run. Where's Steve Reynolds? We may not be able to get off Steve Reynolds going south. Shows you how much I know or remember from years ago. Historic Norcross. We have video of Norcross. We have video of Duluth. We have video. Over 3,000 videos now. Now, a little, probably unknown or not remembered fact up here at Beaver Run years ago. We're going to get off and go unsavory type of stuff. How would I know? I don't have any idea what you're talking about. Now, to the right, Beaver Ruin will take you right into Norcross. To the left, it'll take us right into Lilburn. Yeah, right there where that gas station is, there used to be a truck stop. That's back before truck stops were real large, I think.